Hey, I want to show you how to build a sales page and a shopping cart all in one tool in under 6 minutes. No techie craziness. You want to watch me? Let's go. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually recreate this page you see on the right-hand side, and then I'm going to take that into this platform called Thrivecart. You might have seen it, you might have not. Doesn't matter. Either way, what you can do is completely build any kind of sales page that you want to do, or recreate one you might have if you have it in a page builder or anywhere else. You could actually use Thrivecart and put it inside of here and not need any other page builder, any other bells or whistles or weird tech. Anyone can design these things and then design them extremely fast. I'm actually going to show you in this video how fast I can do this. I don't know how long this will take. I'm going to try to go as fast as I possibly can and then recreate this design as close as I can using Thrivecart's tool. And just as a note, on the right-hand side, I'm actually using Thrive Architect to make this page. And it actually wasn't even me that made this page. It was my business partner, Matt. So I've actually never designed anything having to do with this page. So let's see what we're going to do. Basically, the elements that are involved are, a headline. We have a video embed here. We have a button. And you can see that button actually dynamically pushes me down the page to this cart. And then we also have some testimonials, images, a big old image, product stack, and then we have the embedded checkout page all on one page. So it's a sales page and cart all in one. Now, the one on the right side, we kind of hacked together with a couple of tools. Thrivecart's in there, Thrive Architect, and some other stuff. Well, I'm going to show you just how to do everything in Thrivecart. So what I'm going to do is I'm already all prepped to design this cart. I have it all set up right here. And what I'm going to do is hit this sales cart design. There's a few other designs we could choose from. We're not going to get into that now. I'm going to choose sales cart and click on design, and we're going to launch the editor. All right, so we're all set. We have the page we're going to recreate on my right-hand side, and then on the left-hand side is Thrivecart and the builder I will be using to assemble this thing and create a brand new page. So I'm going to take a deep breath here, start this timer, and let's get going. All right, so timer's going. We're gonna start with the headline over here and throw that in at the top of the page right there. Paste. It's gonna look a little weird because I gotta fix the spacing or the line height. You can see there. And I am going to spread this out a little bit just so we can see what's going on there. Hit done. I'm actually gonna widen the area here. There we are. And let me just adjust that font just so it kind of lines up. That's good. All right, now we're going to use this. That's going to be a subheading right below. Boom. Bam. Perfect. All right, so now we need a video. I actually have the video embed code right here. I'm going to embed. Boom. Video under the subhead. There goes there. Sometimes you have to take away the little width and all that stuff just for spacing issues. No big deal. Always you can test it. Oop. And let's make that video actually nice and full width. So we're going to do that. Go back to the page here. I am going quick for a reason. I told you I'm on a timer, so we got to go. All right, so going down here, we're going to add in a buy link. And that is just basically a button. I'm going to say yes. Yes, I need this course. And what I'll do is make that font larger. And what also, I'm going to take the color from here. I have a little picker tool. Copy, and that's going to be my hex code. You can see I just matched that color. Let's make that full width and good to go. Actually, let's remove these little card buttons. We don't need those there. And now we're going to put some testimonials down here. So I'm just going to copy that. Testimonial thing is right there. I'm going to paste. I'm going to do that. Copy, paste. You can always fix the spacing, no big deal. We're going to copy Paul's name, put him here. And I'm going to space that. And let's do the same thing with this other testimonial, just to get all the text in here first. And clear out some of the spacing that we see, no big deal. Mike Michalowicz. Pretty cool because Mike Michalowicz actually bought Thrivecart as well. That's how we got this testimonial, which is really, really cool. And he's such a cool guy as well. All right, so now we're going to add some images. Paul, I did upload his image just to save a little bit of time. Same with Mike's. And what I'm going to do now is actually, I'm going to probably see. You can actually modify the types of testimonials on the left-hand side. So I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I kind of like this. Let's see. What do I want to do? Let's just do that, just for the sake of this video, just to show what we could do here. But I will increase the font size just to make it pop a little bit more. Sync up the spacing, do the same. What font were we here? 18, so let's do 18 again. And the spacing looks pretty good. This one, we could probably, there we go. And I can even put these on separate lines if I wanted to, just to kind of make it look a little cleaner. Let's do that on both, why not? There we go. Okay, cool. So we have that. Now, let's do kind of like a line break thing. There's a little divider, and we'll use another. I can actually duplicate my headline, sync that down over here. Oh, that's not all the way down where I wanted it to go. I could go right there though. All right. And this includes some templates. We're gonna throw that in here. Extra space, don't need you. This font size, we could probably take it down slightly. And font size, let's do that. Now we're gonna need an image because it's gonna be our product stack. You can see it's this right here, image, boom, already in there, nice to go. And now another headline, go right down below. Let's put another divider in there just to kind of keep it nice and clean. And what I could do is copy, paste, clean up the spacing. And now what's really cool is this is actually the cart happening below. So I want to click into that. I'm going to make it, you can make it multi-step or single. I'm going to go single. I'm also going to take that same color and match the buttons below just to match everything up. Done. Button color is done. Oop, going too quick. Done. Complete order. I don't know. Just over 5 minutes. Almost there. I'm so close. And so I think everything's done there. Contact info. Obviously, we could do first name, last name, build that out where, let's see here, customer address if we want. What do we have over here? We have a coupon code, address, card details. Boom, that's all in here. We can move this coupon up if we wish right there, right below the buy button, so it's a little bit more obvious. And I think we did it. So I'm gonna save and exit. I'm gonna stop this timer really fast just for, pause. And so right now we're at 6 minutes. Sorry, let me expand this just so we can actually see the scrolling thing is not helping. All right, we're at 6 minutes right now. And let this load. All right, so now we're gonna view the checkout and see what our creation looks like. I'll bring this to the top. There we are. So here we go, side by side. Not bad. At all, actually. I'm kind of impressing myself. There's probably some little minor spacing things, obviously text, and could make this a little larger. But just have a look. I mean, you had the one on the right-hand side was the initial, and you could see, yes, there are like testimonials are designed a little differently. And there were options in the side of Thrivecart to change the testimonials. I could have made them larger. I could have made all the formatting a little differently. You saw that. But other than that, I mean, look at this. It's almost identical. And I would say it's actually a much better cart down here. And it's just a cleaner design. And actually, see this button you can see will take me to the bottom. It has a nicer scroll than that. It's a little bit more obvious that you stay on the same page with this. You can see how it just moves. So yeah, basically there it is. I mean, I just created that in 6 minutes and 3 seconds. A complete, a page from a whole different platform, one that we're paying extra money for over here for a page builder. And with all these different elements, and you saw like I didn't have to do any coding other than I grabbed some color code, which was not required at all. I can actually go back and not view checkout, but I can go back and show you some of these little nuances. And it's crazy. I mean, really, that's it. But you can see I didn't need to change the color code. I could have just done it that way and matched something closely, and then they were there. So no coding involved at all. That was just an embed code. The video plays. You can see that's playing. That will load. The button works. The testimonials are there. We could change those if we wished. And you can see again, you can just click in, and there's all these other varieties right here. I could have did that. This, off to the right. Both of them, side by side. I just did that because it's a little cleaner for this one. But you can see, uploaded that perfectly, and then all of our forms are ready to go. This is literally ready to take orders right now and start making money with Thrivecart. So there you have it. Super easy, drag and drop builder, no techie stuff. You don't have to be a designer either, not a coder, and you can do that in within 6 minutes. I was going a little quick, so maybe it's like 10 minutes for you. Not a big deal. Much better than stressing over some code that you'd probably have to spend, 30 minutes, an hour, maybe all day, or maybe you'd have to hire someone actually to build this for you because you're overwhelmed with it. Not anymore. So get Thrivecart. It is the best investment we've ever made in our business. It's only a one-time fee right now. So you actually can get in there, no recurring fees, no monthly fees as the time of this recording. So be quick. Go to getthrivecart.com. I promise you this investment will be worth it for you. There's a guarantee as well. So if it doesn't work, if it doesn't integrate with what you want, all that stuff, and you just go and try to make it your best, reach out to the team. They're amazing. There is a guarantee to that, and they'll make sure that you're always taken care of. So you have nothing to lose. Go check it out at getthrivecart.com. The links are probably below somewhere on this page. You're going to love it, and we're here to help you as well. So thank you for watching. I'm going to go take a breath and build some more pages. All right. See ya. Bye.